Hey there, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Meteorologist Laine Pugh. We have a lot to get to today, starting off with the fact that we're under a 31 alert day for your Saturday due to the fact of some storms making their way through the Tennessee Valley, bringing some threats like damaging wind as well as a low tornado risk between the hours of 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now, this is just the first round of storms we'll see today. We're expecting another evening round of storms, but not going to be as severe as the ones that we could see this afternoon for northern Alabama as well as southern Tennessee. Looking at the storm prediction outlook for today, we're under that 3 out of 5 enhanced risk to see those strong to severe thunderstorms, and breaking down the timing a little bit more. Around 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. is when the shoals can expect these storms, and then moving off to the I-65 corridor around 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Now, this is just a rough estimate, but this is when we are going to be expecting these storms to make their greatest impacts in these areas, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. for the Sand Mountain region. Now, the threats for today are the highest threat being damaging wind up to 60 miles an hour, and then we have a low-end threat to see some large hail as well as a brief spin up of a tornado. Now, it is on the lower side, but we can never say zero here in the Tennessee Valley. Looking at future radar for today, we'll start off mostly dry, then we'll start to see these storms make their way into the viewing area by the lunchtime hour, affecting the shoals by around 2 p.m. today, eventually tracking off to the I-65 corridor around the 3 o'clock hour, affecting areas like Decatur, Huntsville, Coleman, as well as Gunnersville, eventually moving off to the Sand Mountain region by around 4 p.m. So it is a fast-moving line of storms, but again, bringing those threats like damaging wind as well as some large hail and a brief tornado risk. We will see a little break from the hour around 6 to 7 roughly, and then we'll start to see some more thunderstorms make their way through the Tennessee Valley for our evening round. This is around 10 p.m. what we can expect, some heavy rainfall as well as some frequent lightning and some damaging wind, and that'll last as we go throughout midnight tonight, becoming a little bit more widespread, but eventually waking up mostly dry for your Sunday morning. Taking a look at your lunch planner today, temperatures are going to be in the mid-80s by noon, and then they'll start to drop as the rain comes in, and that rain chances are going to escalate quickly as we go to the 1 p.m. hour. So if you have any outdoor plans for lunch, I would recommend maybe bringing those inside. Forecast lows tonight are going to be in the upper 60s as well as the low 70s. 68 Gunnersville and Scottsboro as well as Fayetteville. 69 for Athens. 70 in Huntsville down to Decatur and Moulton as well as Muscle Shoals. Tomorrow's looking like it's going to be yet another rainy day. We're going to see some scattered showers, especially in the morning time hours. Temperatures are going to top around the mid-80s, and we'll have some west winds coming in at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here's a 10-day forecast. Again, 31 alert day for today, and we'll have some chances to see some thunderstorms going into Sunday and Monday, and then by the beginning of the work week on Tuesday, rain chances will start to taper off a little bit. We'll just see some more of those afternoon summer showers, and temperatures are going to be sitting in the mid-80s.